So today in this video, friends, we are going to tell you about how you can record your screen on MacBook. So friends, on MacBook, you have some special keyboard shortcuts through which you can easily record your screen with audio and without audio both. You won't be able to find this solution without watching this video. So just keep an eye on this video and watch it completely. Let's get started. So to do the screen recording, we have multiple ways. The very first one is to do a screen recording with audio, and another one is without audio. Also, we have an option to select a particular application for which we want to record the screen for. So first step is to tell you how you can record your screen in a simple way. So the first thing that you have to do is you need to open QuickTime Player, and after opening QuickTime Player, you need to click File on the top corner, and there you will see a new screen recording option. In this new screen recording option, you have to click this one, and now we have certain options on the below window. Now it's giving us an option to either record the entire screen or record selected portion. Okay, and there is also options tab where you can select whether you want to record the audio, the microphone sound or not. If in case you want to record microphone or audio sound against the screen recording, you can just click built-in microphone. And after hitting this, what all you need to do is you need to click the certain application which you want to record, or if in case you want to record the complete screen, you can just hit record selected portion or record entire screen and then hit record. Once you hit record, then you will see an icon on the top bar where you have an option to stop the recording. So when you stop this recording, this point is very much important, that after stopping this recording, this particular recording will get saved on your home screen, or we call it desktop. If in case it does not, then please try to save it manually. Okay, so this is the way by which you can record your screen, the entire screen or the selected screen on MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro or any variant. So I hope I would have solved your issue. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we'll come back with a new video.